defender aquellos
to defend those
que no se pueden defender.
that cannot defend themselves.
La iglesia
We, the church,
tiene un rol entre la sociedad.
has a role in society.
La iglesia
We, the church,
no puede quedarse callada.
Energy was high as Hispanic ministers from throughout the state gathered for a historical summit. Their mission? To bring clergy and community leaders together to shape a social agenda based on faith for Connecticut's growing Hispanic community. Their message crystal clear.
that ministers cannot involve themselves with
Yo
politicians.
digo en este día
We say today,
que eso es mentira.
that is a lie.
Los ministros
Ministers
son las personas que tienen el carácter moral
are the people who have the moral character
para aconsejar a los políticos,
to counsel our politicians,
para guiar a los políticos
to guide our
a
politicians,
tomar decisiones sabias
to make wise decisions
en favor de la comunidad.
in favor of our community.
Their newfound activism, they say, is fueled by what they see every day in their congregations.
Yes, the pastors are ready to take on and keep on joining forces so we can get our Hispanic people out to make changes and more efforts in our community.
Keynote speaker, Bronx Borough President Adolfo Carrion, who is also the son of a Protestant minister, told the group of how leadership by Hispanic clergy can indeed transform a community.
If you go to the South Bronx today, you won't recognize it. It is a beautiful place. And the way that it was transformed, it was people of faith who pulled it together.
Carrion also shared strategies on specific steps the Connecticut Hispanic clergy should take.
And listen to me carefully, because this is going to be your conversation with the development community. And God bless all the developers here. We said, you're not going to parachute into the Bronx with your relationships, with your banking relationships, with your concrete supplier, with your lumber supplier, with your whatever, glass and steel and carpentry and your electrical contractors and all the workforce that they bring from the outside, from the suburbs, and just come and benefit from the largesse of being in a great location and then leave and leave nothing behind. And simply leave our community as a perpetual consumer. This is no longer going to apply to our community.
Also high on their agenda, health care for their communities.
We believe that health is a right. It is not a privilege, a basic human and civil right. I like to quote the late Dr. Martin Luther King. Of all forms of inequality, injustice in healthcare is the most shocking and inhumane.
Pledging to protect and defend their constituents by putting faith into action, the clergy formed the Federation of the United Hispanic Ministers of Connecticut.
The Federation of Hispanic Ministers in Connecticut are uniting, supporting efforts that are common to our goal of reivindicating our community, our goal of bringing our community not only together for an event like this, which is very important, but together with the ideal of transforming our communities and working together with groups like Universal Health Care, CCNE, and churches, saying to the community, housing, good health, employment, and economic development should be there and will be there because we will support efforts like this.
As the summit came to a close, they said they will continue to work together and be silent no more.
Que la iglesia tiene una voz.
The church has a voice.
Y que esa voz,
and that voice,
en el nombre de Jesús,
in the name of Jesus,
va a ser escuchada.
Shall be heard.
Amén.
Amen.
Amén. Y amén.
Amen.